So my iPhone is having problem with the storage actually. So I think I will figure it out today. Remove some of this stuff. So let's start from where we left off. So we have kind of like understood the concept is like a lot of what is theoretically told to you in terms of like mostly mental concepts, books, right? There is much more potential than that. So now, how much is lied to you? How would you decide? So the only way for you to decide is actually the practical way of it. Do you understand? Because even if you kind of shift from one person to another, what if the another is also lying? So you're like, okay, as a person who is not exposed to yoga, let's say, at all, some island nation I am, and then I see, okay, oh my god, like so much is possible with the human body, so much flexibility is possible, right? But then what if even it is there's something more which is possible? How would you know that? So the best way is actually not to fall in any kind of systematic practice of telling you how to see life, how to think, what is possible, what is not possible, and who gives this certificate of like enlightenment, right? Oh, we officially recognize this person as saint, or this person was enlightened. What is all of this? Who are these people to give certificates? Are they enlightened? Just like, you know, putting some kind of a list. Okay, this is done, this is take, this is this. Who has decided all of this? All of this is rubbish. Like, or you eating like onions and garlic, you are eating non-veg, or you are doing this, you are doing that. They have mixed up, you know, they have to confuse you. All of this is, remove all of this. Because everything in nature is a possibility. Everything that is natural is a possibility. But then you're like, no, this possibility is wrong, this possibility is right. What is that? Just because you don't understand the thing, you cannot just blame it like that. So what actually is spirituality? Or let's say, I told you in this beginning only, this word is stupid. Spirituality, like stupid word is bad. So basically what is hinting towards, right? A better existence of or a full existence of a human being, right? So if a human being can be as flexible as a yogic, what else is possible? Can I be even more flexible? Can I try even a lot of different things, right? It's breaking free from the conditioning of the books that you are forced into, which you had no choice. Like a 4 or 5 year kid, he is not deciding the syllabus of the school he is going to, right? Somebody else decided what is good for you and gave it to you. Till the time you are like good enough to understand, till the time you are already conditioned. So you are gone. This episode, I think this topic will be slightly abstract in nature. Because I am trying to cover it as a whole and not like, you know, follow some certain like popular names and like that. I think that clarifies spirituality side well. I wanted to we actually can do a separate episode about like God. maybe one of the next ones, right? Okay guys, I think this will be the part 2, and this is the complete video about the spirituality, and I will see you in the next video.